Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice and in today's video I'll be showing you how to buy coins on Hala App. So Hala App, how to actually buy your coins to complete your taxes on the app. All you need to do is click on your me, right, as you can see below your screen, and this is the interface you're going to see. Once you see this, you can now click on coins. Once you click on coins, this is what is going to show. Because I'm a newbie in this app, you can see I have a free offer, not completely free. It's supposed to be like $10 to get this particular 4,000 coins, 3 days of this crown, and 3 days of this kind of thing you can see on my screen. So once I click on buy, right, this service has been disconnected. I don't think I can have access to this offer anymore. Okay, you can actually recharge directly. That's not happening, so you have to chat one of these coin sellers. So let's chat this person up and try it. So this is what you need to do. They say you can actually chat this person's number on WhatsApp to get coins wholesale. So this is actually how to just get your coins on the Hala app. So you can pick anybody you feel like you can trust to actually get your coins, right? So there are lots of contacts you can actually use to get your coins. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.